How you doing today? My name is Trent here at JTech, and today I'm going to actually be showing you the basics of how to operate this forklift that the school has. So before you even decide to operate it, you're going to actually want to do the walk around, and that's something that the operator is going to do before he enters the forklift and after he's done using it. So you're just going to want to make sure that you cannot see anything that's visibly wrong with the forklift. You always want the forks on the ground when you're not using them, because it will be a trip hazard, because sometimes people aren't paying attention. So just set the forks down. I mean, you can still trip over that, but it's less likely if it's all the way to the ground. You're just going to want to look at it. Make sure the cylinders aren't leaking. I mean, the operator wouldn't really know that, but just want to do a little simple walk around. In entering the forklift, you're going to always want to enter from the left side. So get in right here. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the controls right here. And the gauges, you have your RPMs, you got your fuel, you got your temperature right here. Now this thing has 2 brakes, depending on which foot you actually prefer to use the brake. Some people use the right foot for the gas and the brake, and some people just use their left foot depending on how they operate. Alright, and then we have a horn right here. So you're going to always want to use one of those whenever you come to corners that you can't see around, or intersections where you have people walking through the warehouse or something like that. Now if you want to come on this side, these are your 3 controls for the actual forklift. So this one allows you to raise it and lower it. This one tilts back and forward. This one slides to the left and slides to the right. And you're always gonna want to wear your seatbelt. Never seen a forklift driver with a seatbelt, but you know, it's a safer way to go. Alright, so we're gonna get this thing started right here. This is actually your brake. So push that in and start that thing right up. Show you a little bit of the operations of it. So right now it's in neutral. The brake is up. Now before you move it, you're going to want to lift your forks up off the ground 2 to 4 inches. That should be about fine. Just so if you're driving around, you don't want to go over any unlevel ground and get stuck. Now, the brake is down, the brake is off. You always want to make sure that when you're backing up, you're looking around, and you want to make sure that the forklift has a horn on it when it's backing up, so people know that you're in reverse. So, nothing too major right there. Then I'm just going to pull it forward. The turning wheels are actually on the rear of the forklift, so it makes it easier to maneuver. Alright. And of course, if you want to look at these controls right here, it's in neutral right now, so you have your neutral in the middle, your forward and your reverse. Just gonna, well, we're already backed up and stuff like that. Now we're just gonna mess around with the actual forklift. This is in neutral. Just give it a little gas while you're raising it up. Alright. You're always gonna want to make sure when you're carrying a load that you want to be able to see what's in front of you and around it. So still forward. Still backwards. Left. All the way back down after you're done with the operation. I'm going to tilt it back forward. yourself. Turn it off. Unbuckle the seat belt. And all forklifts don't have a light on it, and you're always gonna want to enter the forklift to the left side. And we do have a light on top of there, depending on the area you work and the specifications that you would have for your forklift. The counterweight is on the back, so when you have heavy loads, it doesn't tip over like that. And when you're always coming down a slope, you want to come out backwards, not forward, because it'll level out, or it won't be leveled if you come out forward and the load's heavier on the front than it is in the back. And as you can see right here, this forklift is rated for 4,000 pounds. So if you exceed that, it will not operate correctly. But that's it about the basics of the forklift. You're gonna get all your information on stickers throughout the forklift. So I mean, if it needs service, this is who will repair it and such. My name is Trent here at JTech. Thank you.